We just finished going for a walk and he's trying to wake up. Looking all mean. I'm about to start crying. See, that's all he needs is a little movement. Back to sleep. That easy. Stop. He wakes up. Isn't that something? Push the stroller. Look how he's looking. Push the stroller, he's fine. No movement. There it goes. Push the stroller. He's fine. Push the stroller, he's fine. Stop the stroller. He cries.